Good morning to ya. How are you doing? Welcome back to Simon Says. So today we're heading into the mountains because look at it, sitting right there. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the Ether 70-liter AG backpack by Osprey. This goddamn thing cost me a pretty penny. So I filled it up with a bunch of camping gear that I will not need today. I'm gonna strap this sucker on my back and I'm gonna take it up the trail to try and get a feel for my money here. If this thing is as good as they say, I'm gonna be using the Blue Mini a whole hell of a lot in the coming months. And if it's not, then I have no idea what I'm gonna do. Oh, there's my ride. Ladies, you'll be glad you tuned in today. I got a special guest for all of you. All three of you. First thing first, let's find ourselves a mountain. Best place to do that around here is in Charlevoix, an hour outside of Quebec City. But ladies and gentlemen, I am joined today by Mr. Jake Gyllenhaal, stunt double, step cousin. He's a great guy, you'll see. What matters here is that Jake is one hell of a hiker in his own right, and today he's taking me on one of his favorite mountains. And no, it's not Brokeback Mountain. There you go, the joke is out of the way. But we are going to an impressive place where the mountain sides have been completely sheared off by glaciers during the last ice age. And that's pretty cool. Welcome to Parc des Grands-Jardins. 318 square kilometers of park. But today we're only checking out a tiny fraction of this park, hiking to the top of the very bromantic Swan Lake Mountain. Saddle up, Jake. Ah, damn it, there goes another cowboy joke. Right off the bat, you can tell that Jake is a sensitive guy. He's worried about leaving my camera behind. Don't worry, man, I do this all the time. Oh look, my blue trail runner shoes are back, and I'm happy about this. This is not a technical hike by any stretch. We just follow the dirt road all the way to the top. But hey, check this out. This big old hunk of stone has been moved here by a glacier eons ago, and now it just sits there waiting for me to prove that I am a man. Come on. Come on. Get it? Yeah, boy, who the man? 20 centimeters easy. I'm the man around these parts. Come on, Jake, you coming?
Busy signing Hollywood contracts. Are you in Spider-Man 4? Oh yeah! That's what I thought.
"154 vertical meters later, which is exactly the height of Bukit Timah, by the way, we get our first glorious view of the parking lot we started from. We are not even a fifth of the way up. Come on, let's rustle some miles, cowboy. One thing of note about Swan Lake Mountain is that there's a bunch of false summits all the way up. At least 3 of them. So every time I think we're making progress, Jake destroys my dreams. The summit, it seems, is still slipping away. Okay, a little break. 1/3 of this mountain below us, 2/3 above us. A little bit of a breather. Couple bites out of Jake's outrageous Rice Krispie squares. No wonder the Joker fell for him. We take a moment to appreciate the good things in life. And we're off again. Ladies,
I can confirm. Jake Gyllenhaal stunt double is in better shape than I am at the moment.
oh no, is there something behind me? Oh no, snow! I thought we were done with this crap. Well, now we're about the 650 meter mark, so that's to be expected, right? That's when we see it. The alpine lake to which this mountain owes its name. Like everything else around here, this lake has been dug out by the movement of glaciers during the last ice age. This is most likely where the big hunk of rock came from. Trust me, this video does not give this lake justice. It is a gorgeous, amazing place that you simply just don't expect to see 650 meter up a cliff. Funny thing though, the mountain is called Swan Lake Mountain, but this lake is called George Lake. I mean, why? It's just one of them things, man. The temperature is dropping with every meter we climb, but we are getting closer. I can see the summit from here, I think.
Well, that makes it easy. Spare a little moment of thinking for the poor lads who built this thing. Had to haul all the woods all the way up here. You know, probably on a four-wheeler, but still, they earned their paycheck and the beer at the end of that day, man. Right, Jake?
Oh yeah, they did. Just like me on...
Oh crap, a whole bunch of ice now. Dude, these running shoes are no good on ice. But Jake seems to be doing fine.
Yeah, stunt man at work.
Good save, buddy. I'm impressed.
That way. For the summit.
Almost at the top now. There was a kid on the way up. She was ice cold, like mouth shaking, shivering, and she warned us we were going to be cold out there without a toque.
Oh,
well, at least Jake's got hair
and a beard.
Contractually obligated to have a beard.
Yeah, I have to.
We'll see how we do.
This sign right here is warning us to keep to the path, because from here on out, we're entering the subalpine area of the mountain. See? This is where the tree line abruptly stops. From here on out, nothing grows but small, fragile lichen, desperately clinging to the rocks. If you've ever wanted to see the windswept tundra from way up north, look no further because it looks exactly like this. And boy howdy, is it ever windy up here, man. This is about as bad as I've ever seen it in Canada. I mean, look at this tree right here. Oh, god damn it, Jake. Keep the practical effects for your day job, you hear me? And there she is, at last, the summit of Swan Lake Mountain, a mere 60 vertical meters away. But with every goddamn step we take, the wind just keeps on picking up. Well, at least we don't have to worry about mosquitoes. I swear to God, we're gonna get blown off this mountain, and not in a good way either. Damn, son, I'm struggling to keep the camera steady. The mic is not picking anything up, but man, the views are spectacular. Look down there, good old Georgie. Right, that kid was speaking truth. I'm freezing my digits over here, but in the end, it is all worth it. And with that, it is time to head downstairs. Man, what a cool moment up there with Jake. The only thing that could top this off is if you, the viewer, considered pressing that like button. And hey, if you really enjoyed it, go ahead and subscribe. I got plenty more coming down the pike. All right. That was a hell of a day. 3 hours to go up, 2 hours to come back down, and the Blue Meanie right here performed admirably well. Yeah, promising start. If any of you out there want me to do a little bit of review on this eventually, or any of the gear that I use, I don't know. Maybe it's useful to you, maybe you want to know more, and if you do, let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, Daddy's just gonna stick with the storytelling bits because this is what I enjoy doing, and I think this is what you enjoy watching, right? Cool, that's it. Thanks to Jake Gyllenhaal's stunt double, step cousin, for coming out and sharing the trail with me. And yeah, take care of yourselves. Much love to you, and I'll see you down the trail. Peace, bye.